Hey, I'm Caleb from RapidCanvas. We take enterprise AI from concept to production to scale, and we do it through a hybrid approach that combines elite human expertise with an agentic AI platform, so your teams get solutions that actually work from day one. I want to show you what that looks like for a manufacturing company trying to optimize inventory and demand forecasting. Here's a challenge every supply chain team knows well. They're forecasting across thousands of SKUs manually in spreadsheets, and one cycle might take weeks. Inventory is suboptimal, capital is tied up in excess stock, and their stockouts on the parts they actually need. The data they need lives in disconnected silos, and the team is always one step behind, putting out fires instead of catching demand shifts weeks in advance. What we built is an AI-powered demand forecasting engine that tunes stock and reorder points dynamically to actual demand, lead times, and supplier behavior. A unified dashboard that brings every signal into one place. AI does the heavy lifting, the people closest to the business still make the decisions. Let's take a look at how this comes together inside of the RapidCanvas platform. This is the visual canvas, the build view. On the left, every input feeding the system, sales history, supplier performance, component consumption, etc. They flow through recipes that handle forecasting, optimization, and reorder logic, powered by our enterprise context engine, which continues learning from every new cycle. The outputs are translated into a custom application that visually represents exactly what the client cares about seeing the most. This is the inventory planning view, where the supply chain team starts. At a glance, the organization can visually identify the safety stock, what's in transit, demand forecast across the lead time, estimated lost sales if they don't act, and the suggested order quantity that the system has already calculated. Below that, the system's suggested order for every component, each with a confidence score that the team uses to focus their review. Further down, every order in flight, awaiting shipment, in customs, in transit, or scheduled for delivery. What used to take weeks of spreadsheet work now just takes a couple of hours. On the product view, they can drill into any product to see forecasted demand and the components needed to build it, so production and procurement can stay aligned. And the component view flips the lens, pick a single component, and see exactly which products consume it, who's driving demand, and how that demand is trending. Supplier history surfaces order patterns by supplier and component over time, the data they need to renegotiate terms or qualify a backup before the next disruption hits. In the stock management tab, every stock out categorized by root cause. So the team fixes the upstream problem, not just the symptom. And finally, RapidCanvas's Ask AI tool, a natural language layer trained on the team's own data so that they can drill into a stock out, double check a forecast, or pull a number the dashboards don't immediately surface. Custom-built solutions, apps, and dashboards tailored to the exact needs of the organization with data that you already have, all in a matter of weeks, not months. That's RapidCanvas, outcomes from day one.